Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can finish Steve Lost Keys quest in Fish It Roblox. So first, I'm going to show you where to find the quest. First, you just need to go to the Lost Isle and you'll find the quest in here by talking to this Scuba Steve in here, and you can just choose is there anything else, this one, okay. So you need to find the both keys in here. You'll find the quest in here. First, you need to visit the tropical grove and find Steve's both keys. So let's just go to the tropical grove first. Okay, so here I've already on the tropical grove. So the key location, you can just find it at the top right here near the fish merchant. So you can just go in here, and here beside the fish merchant there will be this option to pick up the Steve's boat key. Okay, now you've already got the key. Now you can just go back to the Lost Isle and give it to Steve. And the next one here, you need to find coins, return the coins to Scuba Steve. So you can just go back to the Lost Isle to find the coins. Okay, so now I'm back on the Lost Isle, and let's just find the coins, and after that you can get the rewards from the Scuba Steve. So let's find inside this right here. So you can just find it around here. Okay, so there is this one right here. Just pick it up, and let's find another one. So it's hidden around here. You can just found it, and after that your Steve's Lost Keys quest will be done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.